Hi friends, today we will discuss about the Fibonacci implementation in Python using dynamic programming. Fibonacci number, what is that? So it is the sequence of integer values which are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So what is important in this sequence if you look? The number is always the add of the previous two numbers, like 13 is add of 5 and 8. So if you write in the function form, you can write Fibonacci n is equal to Fibonacci n minus 1 plus Fibonacci n minus 2, whereas the conditions are Fibonacci 0 is equal to 0 and Fibonacci 1 will be equal to 1. Now let's look on what is recursive function. Recursive functions are the functions which call in their scope itself, like function itself is called here, which returns the value even it's required. Now recursive function should have a terminator, like it should call itself and it should have a condition where it doesn't go to the function but returns a value automatically. Now look what is Fibonacci numbers calculation functions call is going to be. So Fibonacci 5 will call 5, 3, 3 will call 2 and 1. That's the way that tree will be created inside it in the recursive functions. Now look on the implementation of this. The simple recursive implementation of this is you have a Fibonacci n where you look n is equal to 0 and return 0. If you have n value is equal to 1, you return 1, and if you have to return any other number, then you do it Fibonacci n minus 1 and Fibonacci n minus 2. Now look, in the case of dynamic programming, what is a tree is going to composed of? This tree will become very small, because what is going to happen at the time of Fibonacci 3, it is going to use the values which are already pre-computed, because tree will go in this order. Fibonacci 5 will call 4, 4 will call 3, 3 will call 2 and 1, and all these other functions will just inherently use the value which is already been stored. Now let's look on how it has been done in the code. In the code you will have a dictionary of memory. There is a function which is called get stored value. So if the value is stored, it will return, else it will calculate the value on the runtime. Let's look how it has been done. So it calls the global memory, then it has a value which is value is equal to memory n, and if it is not present, it will calculate the value at the runtime and returns the value itself. And Fibonacci dictionary dp will call n is equal to 0, which returns the value 0, and if it is 1, it returns the value 1, else it will call this get stored value function twice on n minus 1 and n minus 2. That's the way your dynamic programming works out, and this will work very fast than the normal program. Now to compare these two things, we have created a program which will be in the blog, where you can find these functions, how this has been used. Now if you look on the time performance in the simple code, if your input increases, you can see the time has started increasing to a factor of 8 seconds, and even you look, number of function calls are increasing, and the value is 5702887. But the most important thing is, if you go to dynamic programming, if you look, your time is not anywhere increasing near about, because it is shown in seconds, so it is not giving you fractional values. And also if you look, the function hit is not increasing very high, right? But if you look the value, right, it is started increasing here, right? So this is the way dynamic programming results are. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can drop me an email ID on my email ID, or you can go to the website and see on this blog. Thank you.